Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to forward a message on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to forward a message on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the message app. Then locate the message where you want to forward the message and click on it. Once you click on it, now go ahead, touch and hold the message you want to forward. Then you should see the menu pop. On the menu, locate and click on More from the pop. Then once you click on More, the message will be checked. Now you can go ahead and check multiple messages. Once you are done checking the messages, click on the forward button at the bottom right. Then you should see the list of the message you want to forward here. Now go ahead and click on the plus button and then select the person you want to forward the message to. Once you selected the person, then go ahead and click on the send button. So if you click on the send button, this is going to allow you to forward the message on your iPhone like this. So that is exactly how to forward messages in iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.